ẹ má balẹ̀ ara yín jẹ́ o, ẹ má dalẹ̀ ara yín rú o. Ọlọ́run ò rán ẹnì kankan yìí pé part of holiness ni pé kó má ba ọkọ tiẹ̀ tó ti fún lórúkà sùn o. Ara mọ́ṣẹ́ tó gbà nìyẹn o. And you are not just supposed to do it, you must do it well sef. Tí ilé ẹ bá dàrú wọ́n ló fọwọ́ ara ẹ ló fi dalẹ̀ ara ẹ rú. Now, what is wrong nínú kí ìwọ àtọkọ ẹ kẹjọ enjoy ara yín? Ara àwọn nǹkan tó ń ba ayé jẹ́ nísìnyí ni pretense.
Okay.
Tí nǹkan bá ń pa ẹ́ lọ, tí nǹkan bá ń dùn ẹ́ tó bá lè sọ, òun ló ń ba ayé jẹ́. Especially in the Christian world, I'm sorry to say. The Bible says He will give that which pertains to life and godliness, meaning that there are two parts to a human being. There is the life part and there is the godliness part, which is the spiritual part. The Bible says, having done all, stand. Ìyẹn ni pé ìtò máa lè ṣe fún rẹ wàá ṣe, wàá fi yòókù lẹ̀ f'Ọlọ́run. Kíni yẹn bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bí there's a place I'm going. Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bí choice of marital partner, your marriage partner, ẹni tí mo fẹ́ fẹ́. Little wonder ní sí pé dàbí pé marriages ní problem. Èyí tí ń sọ fáwọn èèyàn ní sí pé ìgbà kan bọ̀ a ṣe máa padà síbi ta fi sílẹ̀ yẹn. Nígbà táwa wà ní secondary school tán kọ́ wa ní Yorùbá, wọ́n ní tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ fẹ́ èèyàn, wọ́n á kọ́kọ́ lọ ṣe background check lórí ẹni yẹn náà pé ṣé wọ́n máa ń ya wèrè ilé wọn, ṣé wọ́n máa ń ṣe báyìí, ṣé wọ́n ní kinní kan, ṣé wọ́n ní kinní kan. Ṣùgbọ́n nísìnyí téèyàn bá ti shake bum tó ti ṣí cleavage síta lórí internet, wọ́n ti wà in love nìyẹn, wọ́n ti ń wà nìyẹn. I know there's a particular girl tó máa ń ṣèdí lórí TikTok yẹ pé gbogbo wọn wá ní hey díẹ̀ yìí gan pàápàá. People have lost focus, especially àwọn youth wa.
Okay.
I am not of the school of thought yìí pé kẹ́ máa lọ bá pastor ẹ̀ bá prophet pé kó bá mi pray pé ta ni mo máa fẹ́. My own is tí o bá ti rí èèyàn tẹ́jọ like ara yín, the Bible says a man will go out. Á lọ pick fún rẹ̀, á choose out of many. Tó bá ti rẹ́ni tó like, tó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé léèrè ló wá, tó dẹ̀ like ẹ̀ náà, tẹ̀ ti jọ agree láàrin ara yín. As long as tí blood group yín kò bá ṣe pé kò bára wọn mu, ẹ máa fẹ́ra yín lọ. Because Bible sọ fẹ́mi pé love covers multitude of sin. Tó bá lọ ní pé nítorí pé prophet kan sọ pé ni yìí ló right fún ẹ ló ṣe fẹ́. Love tó fẹ́ cover sin wa because sin máa pọ̀. We are human. We will offend each other in the course of the marriage. We will make mistakes from time to time. It is the love you have for each other ló máa jẹ́ kó lè overlook shortcomings ẹni yẹn. But if ab initio there is no love, ó dà kí ló fẹ́ cover? Kí ló fẹ́ cover? When the sins come, and they will come. Yeah? So, you know, prayerfully make your choice. Tó bá ti rí pé o ti ń like èèyàn kan, but it is expedient pé kó like èèyàn. That's why tó yẹ pé don't put yourself under unnecessary pressure. Yí pé mo ti ń dàgbà o, hey, everybody else has gotten married, everybody else is looking at me somehow. Don't, bàbá téèyàn bá lọ sọ́jà ló máa ń kọjú sí. Any other thing, face your focus. Focus on your focus. Any other thing is distraction. Exactly. Don't be distracted. Because tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ tán nísìnyí tó bá ti bá ìjẹ rice tán tó bá ti wáṣọ ẹbí tán, olúkálùkù á lọ lé wọn, ìwọ nìkan ló kù máa kù ńbẹ̀. Kí ni mo wá fẹ́ mú jáde nínú yẹn? Ẹni pé ṣé ó yẹ kán ṣe pé àwọn like àbípọ̀n nǹkan tó yẹ pé Ọlọ́run ló dá. As long as tó bá ti ṣe nǹkan tí Ọlọ́run wà against ni adultery, fornication, that is premarital sex, or after you are married to a particular person, you going out to go and have sex with another person. Now, what is wrong nínú kí ìwọ àtọkọ ẹ kẹjọ enjoy ara yín? Because àìmọye àwọn tó ń pè ní pastors tí mo mọ̀ nísìn tán wà ń tàn bẹ̀ yẹn o. Tó yẹ pé àwọn mọ́mì ti ṣe mọ́mì jí o, wọ́n ti wọ scarf, wọ́n ti wọ gbogbo kinní, wọ́n ti wá ṣe pé ṣé bá ti bímọ. Ikú ẹ̀dà tí ilé ẹ bá dàrú wọ́n ló fọwọ́ ara ẹ ló fi dalẹ̀ ara ẹ rú. I will not justify bad behavior. Such men in such marriages, what they're supposed to do. But many of them will tell you now pé àwọn ti bá sọ̀rọ̀ kò gbọ́. Ẹ má balẹ̀ ara yín jẹ́ o. Ẹ má dalẹ̀ ara yín rú o. Ọlọ́run ò rán ẹnì kankan yìí pé part of holiness ni pé kó má ba ọkọ tiẹ̀ tó ti fún lórúkà sùn o. Ara mọ́ṣẹ́ tó gbà nìyẹn o. And you are not just supposed to do it, you must do it well, sef.
Must do it well.
Do it well, ni, so that daddy will be satisfied. And once daddy is being satisfied, daddy should watch out that mommy too is satisfied. What you should get out of sharing mentality no, ó máa ń jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn, ó máa ń jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn máa ṣe mistake pé kán bá ti gbé àwọn kinní kan sọ́kàn. Èmi náà ti gbé sọ́kàn rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn náà o, tó ti cost me many things in my life. But with the benefit of hindsight and learning and experience, just like Bible sọ pé experience ó máa add knowledge ni. Mo ti learn many things, and that's why I counsel people, I advise people, I will tell you the truth in the Lord and experience by learning. You pay. First, get it into your head, first and foremost, that it is not a sin for you to have sex with your husband, your partner. And whatever is worth doing well, I want both of them is worth doing. Whatever is worth doing at all, most of it is worth doing well. So learn that as you are preparing food, abẹ́ mọ̀ pé àwọn tí wọ́n tẹ̀ tẹ́ bá ra àwọn míì tán bá ń kanra kiri torí pé they are only cranky torí pé they are not satisfied in the other room ni o. And this thing has nothing to do with pé bóyá èèyàn wá born again àbí èèyàn born again. Man that is born of a woman lọ́lọ́run pè wá àìṣe spirit o. So please ẹ má dalé irú. That prophetess that you mentioned has not done anything wrong. But she man sọ nǹkan packaging just like one of my pastor friends will say pé packaging man buy life àwọn èèyàn púpọ̀ jẹ ẹ kàn máa package kàn lè máa sọ pé holy tó bá ti holy tọ́lọ́run ti sìn ẹ́ délé ọkọ rọra gbé holiness sex ẹ̀ sẹ́gbẹ̀ kò ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kó ṣe nínú ilé ẹ̀ ẹ̀tọ́ ẹ̀ ni kò ṣe dáadáa.
Ẹ ṣeun gọ́mà láti lè round up gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tẹ̀tí bá a sọ látẹ̀kan nǹkan kan tí mo kàn tún fẹ́ béèrè ni pé mo ti rí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run tó yẹ pé wọ́n máa ń tákù ara wọn wọ́n sọ pé irú ìwọ òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run yìí ò lè wọjọba ọ̀run ìwọ ǹjẹ́ ṣé alẹ́tọ̀ọ́ láti máa criticize ara wa pé ìwọ yìí irú ẹ̀ yìí ò lè wọjọba ọ̀run ǹjẹ́ ṣé alẹ́tọ̀ọ́ mà gẹ́gẹ́ bí.
What I have a problem with is people doing it outside.
Okay.
Because àwọn gan náà wọ́n wá tension.
Okay.
Tí ẹ bá fẹ́ tẹ́ bá rí pé èèyàn rìn ìrìn ẹ̀ kò kì í ṣe déédéé ẹ wá àwọn tó mọ̀ tẹ́yìn ò bá mọ̀ ẹ wá ọ̀nà láti communicate fún ẹni tó ń ṣe nǹkan tí ò dá náà ṣe fẹ́ sọ pé kò mọ̀ pé òun ò ṣe nǹkan tí ò dá. Bible sọ pé the same we ask for the grace of God but we don't have the magnanimity to extend the grace to other people. Tẹ́ bá lọ ń wọ̀yàn lẹ̀ tẹ́ lọ ń ṣìdíyàn síta kí lẹ fẹ́ gé níbẹ̀. But ṣẹ́rí Bible tún wá sọ ó ní ká má take grace yẹn for granted o. Ipe nítorí pé àwọn kan sọ pé grace covers all grace ò cover kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ máa lọ kò fún yín ní leeway kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ máa lọ ṣe bó ṣe to whom much is given much is expected. Don't lead the sheep into sin. Sheep náà káwọn náà lọ gbé Bible sọ pé àwọn tó bá kọ́ ẹ tán ìwọ náà lọ gbé Bible rẹ kó kà. Ṣé nǹkan tó ń dùn mí nísìnyí ni pé if I have that opportunity kí n sọ fáwọn èèyàn pé Christianity nísìnyí mi mọ̀ nǹkan tá sọ́dà. A ti sọ di bí routine pé ká máa lọ church routine ni ká máa ka Bible routine ni ká máa sọ pé kinní kan. It's not supposed to be routine. Okay. It's supposed to be a way of life. The Bible is supposed to be the Bible says you behold your face in the mirror. Tí n bá tọ́ lipstick mi nísìnyí tí n bá ṣe makeup tí n bá wo mirror the purpose of looking at the mirror is not for looking sick it's for me to be able to see pé kinní tí mo ṣe is so fine àbí mo need láti adjust nǹkan àbí báyìí kan. Bible sọ pé Bíbélì wa òní mirror wa láti mọ̀ bóyá à ń ṣe bó ṣe à ń rìn déédéé nínú Ọlọ́run. Ṣùgbọ́n ṣé Bible yẹn nísìnyí ṣáwọn èèyàn ń kà á wípé kán lè rí ara wọn tán kán lè ṣe àtúnṣe. I've seen that a lot of people are not doing that. People are reading the Bible to get power to be able to fight the devil. To be able to say, God, you must give me money. God, make my life better. God, give me long life. There is more to serving God. God is not God that is just up there with power and you're just saying, hey, God, how you good? Are you good? How you doing this morning? Give me a miracle there. No! You are in a relationship with Him. You are serving Him with all your heart. But He has expectations of you. And He has stated those clearly in His Word. Read the Word so that the Word can change you, that you will become a better version of yourself. If you go to the Bible to the school every day and you don't learn anything, kini purpose? The same way to bá lọ church lójoojúmọ́ tó ń ka Bible. Bible yẹn ó yẹ kó máa rí àwọn changes nínú life ẹ. Tí àwọn bá wá rí àwọn changes nínú life ẹ and ìwọ tó bá tún wá gbé rẹ as a pastor The Bible says this kind of things should not be had amongst us. Àwọn nǹkan kan wà. When I was a child, the Bible says I behaved like a child. Mo ti dàgbà nísìnyí, àwọn nǹkan kan the streets of Askelon. Àwọn nǹkan tí ò bá yẹ kán bá lọ́wọ́ wa, àwọn ìwà pálapàla, àwọn ìwà burúkú. Bóyá à ń ṣe ní kọ̀rọ̀ ni o, bóyá à ń ṣe ní gbangba ni. Tó bá ṣe ń kọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run rí ẹ. So there is no hiding place. So tí èèyàn bá ń ṣẹ̀ lóòótọ́, tí Yorùbá gan sọ ó ní tí mú bá ń ṣe pé ó ní ká fi hàn. Ṣùgbọ́n ṣá wa need láti máa lọ, just like I said before, need láti máa lọ open dirty line wa ká máa lọ fọ́ǹtà. Àìwá ọ̀nà tá máa fi pè sí kọ̀rọ̀. That's why táwọn mi máa fi ń ṣe mistake. Mo fẹ́ bọ́kọ ìwé àfẹ́fẹ́ ìyàwó ìwé wa lọ ń ṣe lójú gbogbo ayé. Àgbà sódì if tó bá jẹ́ pé nǹkan tó ń ṣe yẹn kò dá lóòótọ́. But tó bá pè sí kọ̀rọ̀ tó ra sọ fún, tendencies that they will listen and change. So tá bá máa pera wa ṣàkíyèsí àwọn mistake tá à ń ṣe, ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe the right way. Call them to order. But don't make a show of it. That's my point.
Thank you. Ẹ ṣé ọmọ.
Ẹ máa bá mi share ẹ̀, kẹ́ ẹ bá mi like ẹ̀, kẹ́ ẹ sì kọ́mẹ́ǹtì. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ máa bá mi wo ìkànnì yìí nítorí àwọn ìrírí ayé tó lẹ́sẹ̀ ńlẹ̀ dáadáa. Ìrírí ayé tí kì í ṣe àròsọ. Tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá ti ń gbọ́, àwọn tó bá ti pàdé irú ẹ̀rí náà, wọn ò lè mọ̀ dáhùn sí i. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, ẹ ní dààmú, ọwọ́ ayé ò ní tẹ̀yìn. Ẹ sá máa bá mi like ẹ̀, kẹ́ ẹ máa bá mi share ẹ̀, ẹ bá ń kọ́mẹ́ǹtì ní lórí.